Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. As you know, or you may not know, we have a giveaway going on down below. It's a two-part giveaway. We're getting really close to 1K, so I'm looking forward to giving all these goodies away. Also, there's a bunch of other information down there if you care to give it a gander. Today I have for you a beauty fix. Here. Beauty fix. I am using extra light today, so bear with me while I figure out the shadows and stuff. Ah, this weather. This weather. Okay, so I don't remember how much this cost. I want to say it's around $24, but I don't remember, so per my usual, I will put it on the screen. Opening it up, this is what I see, and this is my second box of this, I believe. So, and I really liked last month, so this is August, and you get this little pamphlet. It's Beauty Fix by Derm Store, and this is just a coupon to save 20% at Derm Store if you use that code. Oh, and that's right, you open it up, it does have all of the products on the inside. Does it have their worth? I am not seeing how much they are worth, so let's go ahead and dig in. So I open it up and I see this, and this is a beauty box. It revolves around beauty products. So, and they're usually, I guess, travel sized, which is what I'm also seeing here in this box, but they're high-end products, so I don't know. I really liked last month's box. So the first thing I am pulling out is an intensive nourishing cream by Eponus, powered by fruit extracts and peptides. I guess it's just a cream for your whole face. Let's see. It does have a safety seal, so I'm not going to bust into that. I wish it would tell you how much things are worth. It says to use, apply. Okay, for external use only, avoid eyes. Okay. Moving on. The next thing I am pulling out is CEO Sunday Riley. I hate it when I use extra light and there are shadows. And this is the vitamin C. I'm pretty sure this is what I have the full size of, but that's cool, a travel size. I don't mind that at all. The next thing I am pulling out is TNS Eye Repair, and it's just a sample size. Oh, that does not have a safety seal. Oop. And I have makeup on today, so I will not be using that, but it is a thick consistency. It's very thick. It does not smell like anything. Next thing I am pulling out is Orbi or Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. I've never heard of this brand, but I am always in need of travel hairsprays, so that is cool. The next thing I am pulling out is Special Cleansing Gel by Dermatologica. And I actually have this in the bathroom. My husband uses Dermatologica products, and I use them sometimes, so there is that. The next thing I am pulling out, oh, I have a sample of this too. Wow. It's a PCA Skin Hyaluronic Acid Lip Booster. That's weird that I have so many of these products. I guess not really so many, just a couple of them. But okay, that's cool. And that has a safety seal, plastic all the way around, so I'm not going to open that. The next thing I am pulling out is Eminence Organic Skincare. Strawberry rhubarb dermafoliant with lactic acid. And that looks like this. And so dispense a small amount to palm of hand and add a few drops of water. Rub hands together, create a creamy paste and massage into the skin. Rinse thoroughly. Okay, that's interesting. And the last thing I am pulling out is a Skin Cuticles Resveratrol BE. And it's just a little sample size. I'm not sure what that is. Uses pure resveratrol to reveal radiance and promote firmness while you sleep. Okay, so a lot of this stuff I've never actually heard of. And this doesn't even have directions on it, so first of its kind night serum uses pure resveratrol to reveal radiance. So I guess maybe it's, I don't know, the name of it would lead me to believe it's for your cuticles, but I guess not. Even though that doesn't really say cuticles, it says something else, but anyway, moving on. So that was a beauty fix. Oh, wait, is there something else? Oh, there is something else on the bottom of the box. That's weird. That's a weird place for that. So this is New Face Prep and Go Cleansing Wipes. And there is just one cloth in there. So, okay, that was Beauty Fix. I don't know. Tell me what you guys thought of this box. I did like the first box. I'm not sure how I feel about this box. I mean, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this box, you guys. You can let me know in the comments how you feel about this box. If you'd like to see more, should I quit it and get another box? I remember I liked the other box because it seemed like they were more like travel-friendly items. And while these are travel-friendly, I do feel like they're more sample-sized opposed to travel-sized, if that makes sense. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.